Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Gokaldas Exports Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy on Gokaldas Export with an unchanged price target of Rs 1140. Gokaldas Ltd. performance was good with revenues growing strongly by 28% year-on-year to Rs 652 crore. EBITDA margin stood flat year-on-year at 11%. Incremental volumes from new capacity in MP and better performance by acquired entities will help performance to substantially improve in second half. Consolidated EBITDA margins to improve by 100 to 150 bps in second half. Strong performance expected in FY 2026. Gokaldas standalone entity is generating ROCE of 25% with improved performance of acquired entities. Consolidated ROCE is expected to improve to 20% in FY 27 from current 15%. Stock is corrected by 26% from its high and trades at 32 times its FY 25, 20 times FY 26 and 16 times FY 27 earnings. Next we cover NTPC Ltd. Our analyst has a buy rating on NTPC with an unchanged price target of Rs 460. Company aims to increase its capacity from 76 gigawatts currently to 130 gigawatts in FY 32. Also, the IPO of the renewable business will unlock value.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.